Merced 2020 project, an ambitious $1.2 billion extensive expansion of the UC Merced campus, is the largest public-private partnership social infrastructure project completed in U.S. history. This includes new facilities used for academic, administration, laboratories, housing, and recreation. This was truly exciting and new, and it struck a chord with Safety First because Merced is home to our manufacturing facilities. When the ambitious project was first announced, Mike Augustine, Safety First Director of Architectural Promotion, made sure that the university and building teams knew that we were here to support them in all their fire-rated glass and framing needs. This included an educational presentation and plant tour of our fire-rated glass, framing, and door facilities for the UC Merced Fire Marshals. Rafael Valencia, Safety First West Region Territory Manager, and Mike Viscara, Safety First Northern California Architectural Representative, attended job site meetings with WebCorp to ensure that all their design, performance, schedule, and budget needs were addressed. The sheer size and scope of this project, with multiple buildings, architects, and glazing contractors, meant that coordination was of the utmost importance. Paolo Mercado, Safety First Project Manager, worked with all of the architects, general contractor, and glazing contractors involved to ensure that our delivery is on time and within budget. Safety First was part of all three phases of the project, supplying interior and exterior 1 and 2 hour fire-resistive ASTM E119 rated walls using Superlight 2XL in GPX Architectural Series framing, as well as 60 and 90 minute full vision GPX Builder Series temperaturized doors for 8 buildings. Sustainability was one of the main priorities for the building team. This project was designed to be triple zero: zero net energy, zero landfill waste, and zero net greenhouse gas emissions. It's the first public research university in the U.S. to achieve carbon neutrality. To help achieve this goal, the exterior fire-resistive glazing system included high-performance, energy-efficient glazing to bring vision, daylighting, and a connection to the outdoors while maintaining occupant comfort. The transparency provided by the interior fire-resistive glazing systems extended natural light into the building, promoted shared artificial lighting between spaces, as well as promote wayfinding. Last but not least, having all of the fire-rated glass and framing systems manufactured within 10 miles of the job site helped in reducing impacts from transportation emissions and fuel costs. Today, 11 of the buildings have been awarded LEED Platinum certification by the U.S. Green Building Council, giving UC Merced the distinct honor as the only higher education campus in the U.S. to have all buildings certified LEED Platinum. Needless to say, Safety First is proud to be a part of such a groundbreaking project. If you want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to visit our website at www.safety.com or call us toll-free at 888-653-3333.